create items in monday.com from new MS Excel row automatically. So if you're maintaining your task details in MS Excel and you want that the same task should be imported automatically into your monday.com application as well, then this video is for you, because here I'm going to integrate MS Excel and monday.com in such a way that whenever you will add a new task here, the same task will be created as an item automatically in monday.com. Want to set this automation for yourself? Come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now I am going to integrate MS Excel with the monday.com in front of you, and I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an integration and automation software, and here you can notice I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and firstly provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as create items in monday.com from new MS Excel row. Okay, now click on create button and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens, an action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, whenever any new task detail is added into Microsoft Excel application, okay, let me first select the same Microsoft Excel in trigger, then automatically create an item in monday.com. Alright, so here I will search for the monday.com. okay, after selecting these 2 applications in this trigger and action window, now I am going to connect these applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. So firstly select the trigger event. So I want that whenever a new row is added in worksheet, basically firstly a new row will be added because I'm going to add the data in that row. Okay, so whenever a new row is added in worksheet, this automation should trigger. Okay, click on connect, click on add new connection, click on connect with Microsoft Excel, and then you will have to provide the access of your Microsoft Excel account. Well, I have built the same connection multiple times. Okay, so I can also go with the existing connection. Here you can see I have made this connection almost 7 times. Okay, so I am using this existing connection, and you can also use this existing connection if you have built this connection already in the first time. Okay, now you can notice that my MS Excel application is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now here you will notice that whatever the workbooks I have into my Excel account have started visible here, and I am going to select this task list for all team. Okay, I'm going to select this particular workbook. Okay, alright, so here we have the same workbook, that is task list for all team. Okay, and in the worksheet I have a single sheet only, that is sheet 1. So I will be selecting the same. Well, it has got selected automatically. Okay, now I can close this landing page. Okay, now I am going to click on this button save and send test request in front of you, and you will notice that whatever the data available inside my Excel application will be received via Pabbly Connect. Here you can notice the response is received, and in this response I have the task name, I have the description of the task, I have the status of the task. Okay, currently I have created only 3 columns, so that is why Pabbly Connect has captured the data of 3 columns only, and I would like to update these details only in monday.com. So that is why I have taken the example of only 3 values. Just in case if you want to update more values, more information in monday.com, you can add as many as columns as you want. Okay, coming back to Pabbly Connect, and the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in Excel and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Now I am going to add one more task details in front of you. Well, I have already prepared the task details. I am going to simply copy it so that I can quickly show you how it will capture the same data. Okay, so I have copied the task name, and let me paste the task description as well. And how about I keep the status as done, or I can also keep the same thing that is assigned. Okay, so I have added a new task details in MS Excel, and now you will notice when I'll click on this button once again Pabbly Connect will capture the recent data. And here you can notice add the integration of Facebook app. Around 5,000 Pabbly Connect users have made a request for this integration, and here you can notice that it has captured the same description and the last column detail has also been captured. Okay, so this is how you can build a connection in MS Excel and Pabbly Connect. So now onwards, what will happen, every time you will add new task details, Pabbly Connect will capture the details in every 8 hours. Why in 8 hours? Because this trigger will check for the new data in every 8 hours. Okay, so don't worry if your data will not be updated, will not get updated in real time. You will have to wait for at least 8 hours patiently, but here I give you a guarantee that your data will be updated for sure automatically. Okay, moving further, I just want to create an item. Basically, I want to sync the task details with the monday.com application. Okay, so firstly I will select the action event that will be create item. Okay, and just like we have built the connection in MS Excel and Pabbly Connect, now I will be connecting this monday.com and Pabbly Connect. Well, for the connection, it is asking for the token. So from where you can get this token, you can read the instructions. Okay, so this is the dashboard of monday.com. If you will click on this profile section, and then if you'll click on this administration section, you will get the API key. Okay, so here you can notice the API option is here, and here we have the API key, basically the token. Okay, let me first copy the same, come back to Pabbly Connect to provide the same here, clicking on save, and here you will notice that monday.com will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now whatever the boards are available inside my monday.com have started visible here since we are connected. Let me show you. Pabbly marketing team, lead converting team, sub items of contact, and connect. Here you can notice. Okay, I'll have to go back here, and here you can notice connect lead converting team and Pabbly marketing team. Okay, so I would like to update all the task details from MS Excel in this specific board, that is Pabbly marketing team. Okay, and here I would like to sync all the tasks. Here you can notice I have created the same number of columns which I have created in my spreadsheet. Okay, you can add as many column data as you want from this specific button. Okay, so this is the task for video team members. Okay, coming back to my Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here you can notice the board has been selected. Well, in the group again I have a single group only, so that is visible, that is selected automatically. Okay, now it is asking for the item name. Okay, so here in this item name I want that the name of the task should be updated, so I will provide the task name from where, remember, we have just captured the data from MS Excel. And don't worry, we don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I am going to map this data. Mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down, and here we have the name of the task. Alright, so I have mapped the name of the task in this item name field. Asking for the name, well, I'm going to ignore this field. Okay, because it is clearly written leave blank to ignore this field. Okay, you can leave blank any field in just in case if you do not want to provide the data, if you do not want to update the field. Okay, well, here I will provide the description, the task description, and the process will be the same. Okay, so again I have mapped the description as well, and lastly I'm going to map the status that is assigned. Okay, now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again. So whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. That is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place in real time. Okay, and let me show you, if I will provide any data here manually, this data will remain same. Okay, this will not change automatically. Okay, so that is why I have mapped the detail. Now I am going to click on this button and you will notice that the details, the task details will be updated here automatically. And here I have collected, I am updating only 3 fields because I am showing you this process just for the example. You can collect the data and update the data as many as you want. Okay, so here you can notice response is received. Let me come back to my monday.com application, and here you can notice that the same task details has been updated. Okay, add the integration of Facebook app. The task description is also here. The task description is also here. Around 5,000 Pabbly Connect users have made a request for the integration of pabbly.com. In next 2 weeks we should launch the Facebook integration, and here you can notice in the status we have assigned the value as assigned. Okay, in case you want to add the issue, the done, or any kind of status, you just need to mention that value here in place of status column, and this is how the details will be updated automatically. Okay, so if you also want to automate this whole process, simply create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once as per your requirement. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Simply add the data here and you will notice that items will be created. The task will be added automatically in monday.com in every 8 hours. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation in my description box. Okay, so if you will click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.